Yeah. Or Hoshen and Tunwaya.
Yeah.
Penalty or goal right by card.
Right.
All outside.
Yeah. Yes.
You know, one point to where and this is
No. It's a ball.
Let's get
Gibon.
Get penalty.
Are you sure?
How sure? Penalty.
Yeah.
You can say it's not a penalty.
Yes.
But the second goal,
Yes.
definitely sure.
Yeah. It was a goal.
No offside.
Yes.
No offside. He was from behind the
referee bone go rise and was like Ajiwa, Lenari Toshapa. Yes.
Hold it's a post.
Yeah.
You should fix it.
Yes.
That's why if you are important.
Yeah.
Wabana penalty review.
It's
fine.
Yes.
Into Magadang. William Savato save a ball.
Yeah.
Landsman will miss a flag.
So
Referee times up again.
Yes.
What's the reason?
Actually, because Landsman Yamushabile delay. Yes.
It's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Azangara winaga game on hand.
Yes.
We are a team of
Points in the back.
Yes, not points in the back. We face every game as important.
Yes.
Or we must have 3 points.
Yes.
We don't lose. It's either we draw or we continue.
We don't believe in sending someone to win the case for us.
Yes.
No, it don't mean
Yes. So that is as we know.
One thing
it's
about
how we are.
Yes.
the weekends game,
Yeah.
it's fine. Devon City can beat us. But one thing I'm sure,
We just play. Yeah.
it's fine. It can be that.
Yes. Yeah.
Goals doesn't matter.
Goals.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Goal doesn't matter.
Yes.
What matters is points.
Yeah. No, get to man.
What do you
Get to man. Yeah.
Yeah. If you play football, it's very important.
Yes.
You should know you can score 100 goals,
Yes.
but we can beat you with 1 point.
Yeah. No, that's true. That's true.
So, weekend's feature
Yes.
is very crucial.
This weekend is terrible.
You know, I get it's very crucial.
Yeah.
Because the Chiefs in a second spot, and you go decline a period of being miscellaneous.
Yeah.
And then Marilyn Biazin why it's red file, how we give you muscle.
Yeah.
We have a time. So I remember saying all 10 people like Marnar Manissi.
No.
So whoever says is something that we don't know.
Yeah.
We're not from Johannesburg.
Yes.
We're from Pitu.
From Pretoria. Yeah.
Before you.
Yes.
Let's meet Sunday.
Go FNP.
But I won't go.
Yeah.
Team Yaga Bailey.
Yes.
So it's fine.
No.
To be honest, it's already written in the books.
Yeah.
Cardozo, Ozia Dabo, Wazi Tribal.
Oh,
yeah.
Carefully league.
Yes. Blind.
Yeah.
The only time Rebel is in
Yes.
it's fine.
Yeah.
But one thing you must take serious.
Yeah.
Bring back Shaluli. You will see something.
Sha.